sa ating lahat. The challenge before all of us, na sa paghubog natin ay walang maiiwanan. No one will be left behind. Lahat ay sama-sama. We are all in this together sa pagtahak ng landas na kaunlaran at kasiganahan. In taking on the road or the path to development and, of course, progress. Nakikilala natin ang ambag ng bawat isang mamamayan, recognizing the pride that you all give us back home and all over the world. Kalayaan 2025 reflects Filipino resilience, the aspiration to break free from what holds us back, and the aspiration for progress of all Filipinos all over the world. Kami po sa DFW ang inyong tahanan ng OFWs. You are let us be your home, and you will always be welcome in our tahanan ng OFWs. And to our OFWs in the UAE, please do not forget that we will be here with you alongside the UAE government, our counterparts in the UAE, for the betterment of your condition, of your welfare, and protection. And once again, our thanks, our overflowing thanks to the UAE government and the UAE side. You have shown us indeed that there is no other way but friendship, cooperation, in terms of working hand in hand for the betterment of all our peoples. Mabuhay ang kalayaan ng Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang Pilipino. Maraming salamat.